Winter season. Snowflakes fall, so soft and slow. Winter's here with lots of snow. Build a snowman, stack it high, grinning big beneath the sky. Skate on ice, we slip and glide. Winter fun is ours to ride. Warm with cocoa, snug we stay. Cold outside, but we're okay. Stars shine bright in winter night. Twinkling dreams take flight. Autumn season. Autumn paints the trees so bold. Leaves turn colors, a sight to behold. Crunch, crunch, leaves fall down. We jump and play all around. Autumn brings yummy treats to share. Pumpkins and apples fill the air. Cool winds blow, oh what fun. Kites dance under the autumn sun. Autumn nights are cozy and sweet. Marshmallows roast, a tasty treat. Rainy season. Look, look, raindrops falling from the sky. Splash in puddles, jump up high. Pitter-patter, hear the sound. Rainy days are fun all around. Spring season. Spring wakes the world with gentle light. Chasing away the cold of night, flowers open for spring's sweet call, bringing color to one and all. Spring brings new friends, both big and small, from buzzing bees to birds that call. Rain makes spring sparkle, fresh and bright, dancing droplets in golden light. Spring winds lift us up so high, whispering softly as they sigh. With every bloom and breeze that sings, our hearts rejoice in the joy spring brings. Summer season. Summer brings the sunshine bright. Time to play from morning to night. Cool treats for hot days so sweet. Chilling out can't be beat. Summer means beach fun and wave, sandcastles and hidden caves. Summer nights sparkle and gleam. Under stars, we laugh and dream.